Welcome to another process video from Freddie and myself. Let's turn this tissue box into an autumn-fall junk journal. Let me pull you closer. Soon as I saw this tissue box, came in the shopping, Sam had ordered it, I thought, oh, I can't wait to make an autumn journal with this. Show you how I'm going to do this. Oh, I know for some of you it's spring. I know Maria over on her page on Instagram has been showing us pictures, bunches of photographs, holding bunches of daffodils. Oh, wonderful. I'm going to cut it up. Think how I want it to be first. Or shall I just, let's just cut it. It could be big or small. How am I feeling? I definitely want a window. Well, let's cut it here to start with. Cut this bit out. Plenty bits for making tags and pockets later. Wonderful, put those there. Right, I'm thinking with you. Now, do you know, this is the sort of journal that Christina over at Christina's Shack makes. You've seen her do tissue box journals too. So, yeah, it's nothing new. That'd be nice to have. That was a pocket. Ooh, fold in, fold out. I like that idea. You let me know what your ideas are. Also, I've cut away a lot of the box. There we are. Plenty scope. Some for Happy Mouse, some for tags. Oh, that's good actually. Nice little pile. I love it. It's got acorns and mushrooms. Yeah, so I'm going to make like a spine bit. Oh, maybe that's 3/4 of an inch. I'm not measuring it really. So what have we got? We've got a window. Love a window. And I can come in with something there. Opening. And that's at the back. I think I'm going to make this a little bit shorter so it doesn't get... That's it. It's not too near the creasy bit. Oh, lovely. Do you know what I'm going to use for the pages? I'm going to use this TV magazine that comes in the newspaper. Friend gives me that every week. A magazine. Well, let me show you. You know my fairy journal? Here it is. That was just a magazine. And you can see I haven't even sewn it. It's just got one staple in there. But because I'm reinforcing the spine all the time by collaging on it, it holds it together. Or Flo. Flo's journal, here we are. That's just part of a magazine that was left over from making the fairy journal. Oh, I've done a little sewing there. So, yeah, you can use, and I like the pages. There's plenty of scope for using them. Yeah, I'm just going to cut that a little bit smaller. Now, if you haven't got one of these magazines, don't worry. This is glued and not stapled, this one. Oh, interesting. If you haven't got a magazine, don't worry. You could use papers. This is just, I've never done this before. Made a cover for a magazine journal. We'll see. Because the pages are flimsy, but they become stronger as you add to it. Just see, then you've got all this to make into a shaped journal too, if you want to, or put it in the recycling. I'm not going to cut all the pages at once because it becomes a little bit hard. You don't want to strain your thumbs, do you, when you're cutting? Just cutting through. There we are, all through now. You might be able to do this on a big guillotine if you've got that. There we are. Simply just cut through there. Oh, here's my playlist. It'll be down below of my shaped journals. I think I've got a heart-shaped one. Let's just check that. Let's see if I can go all the way through. No, sometimes if you go all the way through, it just goes all jagged on the edge. There you go. Be patient, Janet. That's it. Oh, there we are. Could do half. There. Left. This is just the bare bones of this journal. I'm going to put elastic on this to start with because I'll want to come back and decorate all this and pop a window in. This is just the very beginnings today. Sometimes I sew them in, but do you know, sometimes it's nice to be able to have them apart, especially when it's a bulky cover. And then portable, more fun to, let's see if this orange hair tie will. Oh, it does. There we are. That's just a beginning. I might want to reinforce that spine. I could do that now actually by just sticking in one of these. Oh, it's lovely. We're just thinking along together, aren't we, today? Yeah, let's just cut that. There. Just so that elastic doesn't cut into it. Oh, and then you can just decorate these however you want with your own style. There we are. Oh, not in a rush. Take a sip of tea. Lovely. And yeah, just taking our time and taking a breath. Well, there we are. The hair tie it's not buckling that at all now. Oh, and that's just going to be a joy to come and use some of the ephemera I've got on my desk. I'm keeping it all autumny now. Oh, thanks, Colin. So I can just come and help myself to little bits and pieces. I've already been making a tag. Is that too big? No, that'll fit in. I found this coffee filter in my painted papers. That was Mary Ellen. Ellen did that. Just decorating the front page. and I fold it over. It's lovely. Thank you, Mary Ellen. I'm loving the colours. A perfect first page. Thank you. Fold that over there. And, look. Will it... Oh, fold it up there and that will make a pocket. Oh, I love it when a plan comes together. Let's sew that, shall we? Wonderful. You can glue it. No right or wrong. Oh, my needle's come undone. There we are. That's it. Just sew that together. Oh, this makes just a perfect start to the journal. What have I, yeah, here it is. I made this tag the other day when Julia came. I took some video of her lovely sewing, her postcards, but, I can't find that footage. Oh, there we are. Let's pop that in. That's a lovely, hold on. A lovely start to our journal. I think it makes it, by using a magazine, I mean, you do what you want. I thought it came together really quite quickly, didn't it? There. So that's the first page. It'll open up, maybe more pockets. I don't know. I saved the bit that comes off the box as well, because that will make a nice tag. I just can't wait. I'll leave it here. All my autumny bits and pieces on the desk so I can come and I find myself playing with these little stickers. Oh, I love them. Pop them up there. There you go. Stand there. Oh, thank you for joining me while I make this. I had Happy Mail from Lisa. She sent me a fairy. Isn't she amazing? It's the angel or star fairy. Isn't that a fantastic idea? Oh, Lisa, I would like to make a little star fairy. I just think she's fabulous. Oh, that's it, her head's stuck on the back. What a wonderful idea. Thank you so much. I have to find somewhere to hang her, won't I? It's absolutely delightful. Thank you, Lisa. And very inspiring too. Little Fred. He's waiting for his dinner. That's what he's waiting for. Flo, have you been creating a page? Let's have a look. Come round. Oh, yes, Flo would like to show you that sometimes magic happens. When you make a magazine journal, you find pictures that already exist that in the magazine, and you can keep them. A castle, a fairy castle. Maybe Flo's going to create a fairy for that page. Acorn Fairy. To English folk, the mighty oak is England's noblest tree. Its hard-grained wood is strong and good. Ah, as English hearts can be. And would you know how oak trees grow? The secret may be told. You do but need to plant the seed, one acorn in the mould. For even so long years ago were born the oaks of old. Shall we light a candle? Let's do that. When we light a candle, it's just a way to take a breath and take that time for ourselves. Take good care, everyone. Bye. Hello. Okay. There you go, hello. It is your dinner time now, isn't it?
I like these. These
What
things.
is it, darling?
The bluebells.
Oh, that was the Lego from
I know.
Sam.
They're really cool.
Are you taking
Yeah, I was just asking Jennifer if she wanted to come up to Edinburgh with me.
Do you want to go to Edinburgh?
It sounds like we're going to go on the wheel at Falkirk.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, we are. We generally are.
Oh, Leslie's going on a boat Falkirk. Falkirk.
Falkirk. No idea.
Wheel?
Somewhere up in Scotland.
Oh, I'll put a link in so you'll see where they're going.
Yeah, it's like
He's
one
crying. He
of the,
wants
it's
his
one of
treat.
the 7 canal wonders of the something.
Oh, the
Yeah, he's
world
moaning
or the
today.
country?
I don't really know.
So, Jennifer, are you off on your travels?
Yep, she's off.
Oh, hello.
It's Flo sitting in my hairband. I wore that the other day.
What, your hairband? Oh, yeah. No, it's your hairband, like your hairband, but doubled up.
It's all right, Freddie.
It's got another layer on it. So it's her tutu. Oh, lovely.
Mind your head.
We're going to go and have our Kit Kat now.
Yeah, let's go. Your Kit Kat time.
Quick,
Treat
go.
time. Treat
Woohoo,
time. Should he
That's
have a
a
whole
big
one?
treat.
But he still
Wow.
wants the Kit Kats.
They're attracted to chocolate for some reason.
No, I think it's the...
Ooh, gingerbread flavoured Kit Kat.
I know.
Very nice. Have a break, have a Kit Kat. Decorating programme or something?